I'm Randy Dodlin, and I'm demonstrating some products for Jourdain Cosmetics. Today we're doing the total tattoo coverage. Now, a lot of times in films, in the old days, we were asked to make tattoos. Now everybody seems to have them. And a lot of the shows have a no tattoo policy, so we've come up with this cream that dries smudge proof, is water resistant, and will hide tattoos in minutes. First we start with a red neutralizer to kill some of the darker pigments. This doesn't have to be very thick. The idea is just dulls the blacks so that the flesh tones will do the rest of the work later. So as you can see, it goes on quite easily. It dries rather quickly, doesn't move. If you don't wait for the red to dry, you can see it transfers. It'll muck up the other colors, so the idea is you want this part to totally dry first. Now the palette has a number of tones because no one human has one color pigment. Being the underside of his arm, will require some of the lighter colors to break it down. I'm just using a stipple brush. You can use a sponge, you can use any kind of brush you want. You see it slowly disappearing. You can see in no time fading away. Pretty much gone. I'll let that just dry for a minute and I'll go over with one last color to lighten it up to match more of the pale of the underside of his arm, and be finished. And then once it's dry, it won't move. We'll put a sealer on it just as an added protection. There, the tattoo's gone. And what we'll do is take this water-based bamboo sealer. It just adds a protective coating onto it so that wardrobe and other things won't come in contact and disturb the makeup. Now that it's on, it's not quite dry, but once it's dry, it'll be smudge proof and good. This is, again, just an added protection. So just give that a second more to dry. Being a water-based sealer, you've got to shake it up a bit because the matte property